So 25th of July is the last date to submit enumeration forms for the voter revision in Bihar. With just 3 days left for the deadline, the Election Commission has flagged significant changes in the electoral roll. The ECI has in fact discovered that 18 lakh registered voters have passed away, 26 lakh have shifted to other constituencies and 7 lakh are duplicate voters. According to the numbers from the Election Commission of India, 97.30% of voters have filled the enumeration form so far. Functionaries say that 12 political parties have been given the list of electors and will know why these names will not be included in the draft rolls. Parties have been asked to connect with such voters so that they can approach the poll authorities in the state for the inclusion of their names in the draft rolls. The final roll, remember, will be published on the 30th of September after due claims and objection process to ensure that no eligible citizen is excluded and no ineligible one is in fact included in the list. My colleague Tetri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tetri, there has been a lot of discussion on the electoral rolls and names that are being included and excluded by the Election Commission. What are the details of the names that have been deleted so far, and what is the process that will take place after this? Because the opposition has continued to say that the names that are being excluded from the list are going to be the disenfranchisement of real voters. What's the real story?
Well, you see, as far as this entire process is concerned, let us talk first about what is going to happen next. So if we talk about what is going to happen next, so it is 25th of July when the date of submission of enumeration form will come to an end. So that's the last date when the individuals have to submit the enumeration form. Election Commission have already clarified that approximately 97% of individuals have already submitted. Others are left and they will be submitting till 25th of July. Now let us talk about September 30. September 30 is the date when the final electoral roll will be published, will be submitted, and that will be the final list, the final voter list who will have the right to vote, who will be casting their vote in Bihar Assembly election. Now just let us go up a few weeks back to it and let us talk about the draft roll. So draft roll will be prepared after the enumeration forms are submitted. They will be checking everything, and then they will be preparing a draft roll. On the basis of draft roll, inclusion and exclusion process will begin again, because as the ECI and the government has also been saying that those whose name is not there in the list, it doesn't mean that he'll not be having the right to vote, because now the BLO will also be going to their homes. They will be checking the background of the individuals. They will also speak to the neighbors, will have a proper verification, and then when they find that the individual is the citizen of India, they will definitely have the right to vote. And in fact, they have also clarified that even if the name is not there in the draft roll or the final electoral roll, that doesn't mean that he or she is not the citizen of India. Okay. So all the things have been clarified by the Election Commission on the very first day. And the government has also been issuing clarification. But the data which has now come to light, that is also perhaps very much important. As you have also mentioned, that lakhs of voters have already passed away. There are a number of voters who have shifted from their constituencies. So these all voters, number of times it also has happened. We have seen how in the past as well that somebody else votes in their name. So that's why to avoid all
these are not legitimate voters. Some have passed away, some have shifted already, some have duplicate numbers, voter IDs, and that's the reason why these deletions are taking place. That's the clarification that the EC has given out, while also saying that if there are any voters, actual voters who have missed out on the roll, they can always go to the Election Commission. In fact, the parties have also been informed of the same, because the parties are the ones that are alleging that real voters are left out. In fact, the exercise has been echoing from Bihar to Delhi. The parliament has also been rocked by the opposition protests, leading to a washout of the proceedings in both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha as well on the second day of the monsoon session. Even on day 3, a protest is planned at Makardwar by the opposition leader